In this video, best inflatable water slide on Amazon.
It can be a bit tricky to find the best products with a wide range of options available. That's why we spent countless hours researching and analyzed many customer reviews in preparing this list. Our final rankings based on a number of factors, including the features of the product, value for money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. So, if you choose from our list, you can be sure that you buy a great product. If you'd like to see their price and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description down below. Let's get started with the list.
Best inflatable water slide on Amazon.
Starting off our list at number 5. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 3 in the list. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2. our ratings for this product. At number 1.
Bring the water park to your backyard with little Tikes. It's easy to make a splash. Just stake it, inflate it, start the water flowing, and let the fun begin. They even pack up easily in their own carrying case. Be sure to look for this logo because Little Tikes has sturdy double-stitch seams, tough fabric that resists rips and tears, and high-pressure blowers for more bounce to the ounce. So kids can play and stay active with Little Tikes Rocky Mountain River Race. It has double slides for twice the fun, and a climbing wall with grab handles. There's even a dump bucket for soaking up more fun. Little Tikes brings the water park home.
And these are our ratings for this product.
Best inflatable water slide on Amazon.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.